Hey guys, and welcome to HowMuchDeal. Introducing the 5-cup programmable coffee maker, a dynamic duo of kitchen gadgets designed to enhance your coffee and tea experiences. The programmable Percolator makes rich, delicious coffee in minutes, while the electric kettle provides a quick and convenient boil for your favorite tea and hot beverages. So let's go find out. The Cuisinart programmable 5-cup percolator and electric kettle uses innovative technology to brew up to 5 perfect cups of coffee or heat water for tea in one compact unit. A magnetic drive system circulates water from the bottom up to the filter, extracting optimal flavor from grounds. Hot drinks are easy to customize with adjustable time, temperature, and brew strength. Water remains at a steady temperature for robust flavor, and the 1-liter glass carafe doubles as an electric kettle that boils water for tea, soups, and hot cereals. Complete with 30-minute keep warm plate, stainless steel reusable filter, and ergonomic handle, the programmable 5-cup percolator and electric kettle brings all the beverage variety of a professional barista home to you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.